Hello and welcome to Lloyd BMW South Lakes. Today we have this fantastic BMW M5 Competition saloon, finished in, I think in my favourite colour anyway, Marina Bay blue metallic paintwork, and then in the inside it's got contrasting Silverstone, which is kind of like a very light grey merino leather interior. Being an M5 Competition, it's well over 600 brake horsepower, four-wheel drive, 4.4 litre V8 twin turbo, so one quick car. Options on the car: it's got the premium pack, it's got the comfort pack as well. As standard, obviously you get these gorgeous diamond cut alloy wheels. You can just see how big the brakes are there, which are then cross drilled to help dissipate heat. You can see there the massive calipers on the front of the car. You've got adaptive LED headlights, you can see where you're going. Being a competition, you've got the black grills on there. Little signature thing of M cars these days is the M mirrors. You can see that little winglet sort of sticking there on top. Got the M5 badges there on the side. You've also got the weight-saving carbon fibre roof as well. Privacy glass there on the back. So inside the car, you've got the fully electric leather seats. There's two position memories on those. The electric windows all round. You can lock the ones out in the back for unruly passengers. Electric folding mirrors. You've got the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. You've got these very nice leather door cards. Electric boot as well. So jumping inside the car, we'll just close that door. And like all modern BMWs, foot on the brake, press the start button. As long as you've got the keys on you, then the car will come to life. Obviously, satellite navigation. Satellite navigation is standard. So you've got satellite navigation, and I'll just use that to show you where we are. So we're based up in the Lake District. So we're just up in Cumbria. We are about 10 minutes off junction 36 of the M6, just south of Windermere. Beautiful part of the world. If you're ever passing, feel free to drop in. For select reverse, you can see we've got cameras all the way around the car, and you can then choose to see which side of the car you want to look at. Out the back, you've got guidelines and obstacle markers as well. So there's really no excuses for hitting anything. I'll just turn those off. There you go. You've got DAB radio on there, you've got Bluetooth on there as well. What else have we got? So we've got CD player, got some favourite buttons down here. Seat wise, we've got heated seats or cooled seats. The seats are ventilated, so you can choose whether you want a hot seat or you want a cool seat. What else we've got? Dual zone climate control, so your passenger can have a separate temperature to the driver, or you can plug those both together. Right, what else we've got? So we've got the automatic gearbox, very intuitive, leave that alone. You've got your different driving modes down here. Electric handbrake, the eye controller does the screen up there. Trim on it, you've got the piano black. You can then choose the different colours of ambient lighting that you wish to have on the car. Multifunction steering wheel, so you've got cruise control and speed limiter on this side. Heated steering wheel as well. Voice activation, you can choose different commands. Answer the phone or not answer the phone. You can change radio station here, and then that comes up onto the head-up display. So you can see there, hopefully 10 mile an hour is the speed limit on site. 0 miles an hour, obviously we're not traveling anywhere. And then when you go to choose your radio station, you can just keep your eyes on the road, flick through to your favorite radio station. Don't know, maybe a bit of a Kiss. Press the button down and that'll play your favorite radio station. Mileage wise, scoot back a bit, there you go, 17,489 miles. You can see there on the dashboard. What else we got? So automatic wipers, and you've also got automatic headlights as well. Right, I'll just turn that off and I'll show you the rest of the car. So you've got this privacy glass there on the back, loads of room in the back of the 5 Series. Very comfortable car to travel in. 3 seats across the back. The outer one slightly obviously larger. We've got the ISOFIX for the children's seats. They've also got their own air conditioning in the back, and they've also heated seats in the 2 outer seats as well. And obviously the Harman Kardon sound system continues in the rear. So coming around the back of the car, that M5 Competition, another signature thing of BMW M cars these days is the 4 exhausts out the back there. And as I mentioned, the tailgate, the boot is electric. So you can just press the button on the key, or there's a little button on the boot like so. Nice big boot, and if you do need more space, you can fold the seats down as well. And then to close it, you can just press a button or use the key. And there we have it. So this car currently for sale here at Lloyd BMW South Lakes. If it's of any interest, then give us a shout. We're always happy to answer any of your questions. We can work out some finance figures for you. We can organise a test drive for you. Or if you're not local to us, don't worry. We also offer a nationwide delivery service as well. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.